friends, part of my month-long European excursion included Budapest, Hungary. I traveled to leave my comfort zone, probe new ideas, and explore the culture. Part of the fun is tasting traditional foods and treats.
Hey guys, we're back and we're trying our second traditional Hungarian treat. And this is, I'm sure I may mispronounce this, but I think it's pöttyös. Pöttyös, they told me, and I may be mispronouncing it. So if you all are fluent or learn it in Hungarian, please, share. But it's Pöttyös Túró Rudi, and this is a traditional treat. And it's time to open it. Open yours, Chris, and I'll eat yours. And then you can open it. Oh, sorry, drop it. So here it is. And we're going to taste this. It's chocolate, and it's supposed to be filled with some, the guy said sour cream and something else, but not sure. So we're going to try this now. And that is, what bridge is that? That's the chain bridge. Okay, great. Okay, you ready?
Ready.
1, 2, 3. That's good. That sounds
Not bad.
it's not it tastes like cream cheese, not like Philadelphia cream cheese. And it doesn't taste like sour cream to me. And what's that flavor? It has a not peppermint, but it's really good. It's a distinct flavor, but what would you think it tastes like?
I don't recall what it is, but it is something familiar.
It is. I can't think of that taste in it. It's really good. I like it. This was, how many? At this little store, it was about
130.
262. So $130, y'all. $130. Hungarian though. But y'all know I'm rich, so. What is that flavor? It's not tarty. It's not too sweet. I don't like anything too sweet. But it's just right. And it has almost a lemony, like a refreshing taste to it. So it tastes really good. So if you're here, try it. Pöttyös. Pöttyös. I'll get the name right. Anyway, have a great day. We're off, and I think we're going to try our third traditional Hungarian delight. And if you know what that is, let me know. Peace. Say peace, Chris. All gone.